Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my mini twist series. So today I just finished a set of mini twists, and if you didn't catch that video on how I installed them, the prep work I did and all of that, check out that video first. But today I'm done. I finally installed them, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what I go through the beginning of my mini twist stage. Of course, because I have fine natural hair and they're just freshly done, they're all going to lay perfectly flat on my head. So what I like to do, especially since it's during the day right now, I'm going to put them all up as much as possible. My hair is short, so some pieces will fall, but I love putting them up in like a high bun. That kind of like encourages them to like give some volume and things like that, and I kind of just kind of look crazy like that. And I just do this little pony thing. And these back here, I kind of let them do their thing. Like, if they really bother me, I'll just bobby pin them up. And that's what I do for during the day. And also, I've had a lot of questions on how to keep your ends intact. And this is one of the ways. I don't wear them down in the house. I usually wear them down if I'm out and about, but usually in the house or for the gym or anything, they're going up in this bun so they're not rubbing against any shirts or you know, just my skin in general. They're just up, and that just kind of keeps the ends intact. It also helps me pick out ones that are coming apart. So I'll have more tips throughout this video on how I keep my ends intact, but for now, a bun is a really good go-to. Hey everyone. So I just showered and I just got back from the gym, so I kind of wanted to show you how I maintain my mini twist during the week. And I do go to the gym about 4 times a week, so the scalp be scalping. I do love the As I Am Dry Itch Scalp Care, their oil treatment. This is phenomenal. I'm actually almost out of it, and this has salicylic acid in it and everything, so this is like a very medicinal treatment. I do love this, but that I use like maybe once or twice a week. But for a daily basis for the gym, I use the whole Sunday to Sunday system, which I do have a whole video on this line, but if you haven't watched that yet, this system is basically catered to active women. So it basically helps keep your scalp decently clean from Sunday to Sunday. So just kind of getting you to your next wash day. I like to use the Root Refresh, which is micellar rinse infused with ACV, apple cider vinegar. This is like specifically for the roots, and this is just an overall hair treatment. This is their Revive Me Daily Moisturizing Spray, so this is something you can definitely use every day. And then they have this edge control, which I really love. It's like this nice serum that goes right along your edges, just protecting those and keeping that safe. They also have another scalp treatment, but I used it all because I was obsessed. It's similar to this, so if you want to pick this up, it's basically the same idea. It just helps with itchy, flakes, dandruff, and things like that. Okay, so I have my hair in these 2 little pigtails, which has been my go-to hairstyle for the gym. I just kind of like how it looks. It's not a high bun, which causes like the back to stretch out, but the front to not be stretched out. Various issues like that. Also, I did have to retwist some of these mini twists today. It is what it is. Like, the front ones love to come loose. Like I said, like there's kind of no real treatment to this except using a tacky substance like an edge control, which I don't like to use too much of because we want our hair to like flourish in this style and not be like bombarded with like lots of product, especially like heavy product like edge control. But if you're in a rush and you really need them to just stick and stay, edge control is your best bet. Okay, so here they are down. As you can see, they're definitely fluffing up. They're getting some frizzies up here. And yeah, this is how they're looking. This is about a week almost. So that's how they're looking so far. They're finally like fluffing up and getting some volume. So I love that. The only thing I regret about this install is making such a deep middle part. That probably wasn't the best idea because I'm a side part girl. So now I gotta fight with my hair to make a side part, but I'll show you guys how I do that after this. I'm gonna go in with the root refresh and focus that on the roots, obviously. I love how this bottle has like a lock system on it, and I just like how fresh and light this product is. Definitely great for low porosity hair. And then I'm just gonna go in with the moisturizing spray on like the ends. I already added the anti-itch oil to my hair this morning actually. So I'm not gonna add any more of that. This twist loves coming apart. It's just the looser textures in the front. I swear the back is chillin'. So we're gonna take a bit of the edge serum. Again, I like to focus it like right on the parts of my edges that are kind of weak, kind of getting abused by me, which is these temple areas. You can even add it to the back nape of your neck. I like to do that too. That's pretty much it for after gym care. These products are great. I really enjoy them. And it's Black owned, so can't beat that. Okay, so while we're here, I might as well show you guys my nighttime routine. So like I was saying earlier, it is starting to frizz a bit at the top, if it would focus. Yeah, it's frizzing a little bit, so I do want to lay it down and get ahead of that frizziness. I will say also, starting this on blow-dried hair prevents it from getting frizzy too fast, too soon, and you know, prevents shrinkage from coming too soon as well. So I do really like starting on a blow-dried state, but sometimes we don't have time for that, so stretched hair, stretched hair. So like I said, I do want to get rid of this harsh middle part, so I'm gonna try to swoop my hair over. And this kind of goes into play with how I parted my hair. Like as you can see, there's a pretty clean side part that I have there, so thank goodness for that. We're gonna part our hair using that side part. I'm gonna put this to the side. I feel a mini twist that came loose in the back as well. This is a legit maintenance video. I'm gonna clip up the hair in the back, and I'm gonna redo this mini twist right here. This one always comes apart. And a little hint about that section, sometimes I make it a mini braid and just leave it there. So I think I might do that, because sometimes the ones on the nape of my neck come undone so often. Again, because they're just short and like a softer texture. So I think I'm just gonna make it a braid and call it. Okay, so I just did some mini braids right here in the back. I think I did 3 of them. And I'm gonna leave those how they are. Whenever there's a piece of my hair that really does not stay in a mini twist, which is usually just the nape of my neck, I just put a small braid in it. And it's small enough to like camouflage in and still kind of act like a mini twist. So don't worry about that too much if you do try this. Okay, so for my night routine, I want to put my hair in chunky braids. I've done this before on my channel. You guys know I love a good little braid out. Or if you don't feel like braiding, you can just put them in twists. But I'm gonna do maybe 3 on this side. And then do the same on the other side and kind of just let my hair set. So I don't usually do this, but I think I'm gonna try some of this foam in it. I don't usually style with foam, but it seems to have taken over the natural hair community. So maybe I'll give it a go and we'll see how it acts. Hopefully it helps with this frizziness. So we'll see in the morning. So this one obviously had a short piece, so I'm just gonna twist the rest of the way down. And because I really want it to stay, I'm gonna put a small black band. Whoop. Nothing pretty, nothing cute, just something to get it done. Okay, so I have 2 on this side, or no, 4 altogether, but 2 up here, 2 down here. As you can see, I kind of like swooped them into these braids so they would lay at my new part that I want. And then there's 3 over here, so here's what they're looking like. And I'm just gonna top that off with a scarf and my bonnet, but I want my I want the products to all dry, like the scalp products that we put in and this mousse and everything. I want it to dry a little bit so my scarf doesn't absorb it. But yeah, a scarf and a bonnet, and this is how I go to bed. Now there's another routine that I like to do where I actually wrap them around and bobby pin them up. I'll link that video as well. That's another option as well. Or even just putting them all into a low bun, like keeping it simple. But this kind of helps with frizz, helping them lay down the way you want them to lay down. And they give a really nice curly effect in the morning, which I'll show you guys. I'll see you guys in the morning for the final look and result. Catch you then.
I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. I was thinking safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got her home, but she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
Okay, you guys, so here we are with the final look. I actually kept those braids in for 2 days, so this is how they're looking, and it's so cute. It's so cute. I love a good braid out. I am worried about the parts a little bit. I didn't get to look at the back, make sure there's no harsh parts. Close up. So let me turn this light up so you guys can really see. I love a good braid out, and my part is moved, thank goodness. Here's my braid out, and I'll probably re-braid it at night or put it in a low bun like I said, and just keep it going until I'm trying to hold out for at least 3 weeks or so we'll see. Yeah, you guys, before I leave, I do want to say that mini twists are for everyone. You know, there's some hair textures, hair types that their hair does not like being in mini twist. It does not work. They continuously unravel, the hair is too soft, or maybe it's just too much work. Hair mini twists aren't for everybody, and that's perfectly fine. But I hope that you guys can watch my videos and learn something new. And if you really want to try them, I hope I give you some inspo and some tips and tricks and tutorials and details. That's what I'm here for. So with that being said, leave any questions below, any comments you guys may have, subscribe, join the family, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.